Here she is, my 2014 JKU Sahara Edition. What's up, everybody? How you doing today? Geronimo here, Geronimo Lifestyle. Today is another Jeep mod day. All right, guys, I'll be running through some mods with my channel here and also be giving you some little adventures, overlanding, camping, whatever it is, here on the Jeep channel. Let's move on to the real modification. Woo. All right, everybody, here we go. This is another mod. This is going to be some hood latch. Changing out those old JK ones for these new ones that are similar to the ones in the JL. Here we go. All right, I'm just taking these guys right here, loosening them off. 10 millimeter socket. Cleaning the area. You know, I'm sure that latch has been on there for a long, long time. Okay. All right, time to put this bad Larry on and then repeat to the other side. All right, so I had to take the grill off to get to these guys right here. So onto this part now. Going left. That took a while. All right, here they are, finally done. Top done there, this one done here. I had to ask the neighbor for extension. That one done there, this one done here. Really, really cool. See how they look. All right, here we go. Latching this guy down and over. This guy over here, same thing. Up, over. So much better fit, so much better. Look at that, oh my God. Looks so good, doesn't it? All right, guys, another mod done. All right, here we go. Line it up, latch it. Line it up. Okay, everybody, there it is. Thank you for joining the channel. Taking my 2014 Sahara edition into something new. Something to what I've always dreamed of. My Jeep, my four-door, and hopefully you'll like it. And all my adventures. See you soon. Peace.